The problem in our world today is that people have a very short attention span. Most won't even have the patience to watch this video to the very end, even if it could completely change their lives. But if you made it this far, you're already ahead of the game. You're looking to start a business of your own, and I'm here to show you how that's done. I'm Kai Sahel. I own 3 different businesses, and I specialize in business and brand growth. On just Amazon alone, last year I sold $3.4 million, and I sold $7 million across all my platforms. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you all the resources you need to start your own business journey. My goal is to teach you how to start, build, and grow your own business using unique online selling methods. This unique method is what I call wholesale marketplace dropshipping, and it's different from the traditional conventional dropshipping method. Now, starting this type of business requires a specific type of mindset. You need to have patience, like the patience to watch this video to the very end. Success doesn't just come overnight. You need to be willing to learn because all of this might be new to you, and so there will be a learning curve, and you'll need a few $100s to invest into your business to start. And so if you have those 3 things, the willingness to learn, patience, and some capital to invest into your business, then use the link at the bottom of this video to watch the step-by-step course video that's going to teach you how to start, build, and grow your business. And if you're truly serious about improving all aspects of your life, then I would recommend you to follow my Instagram at Kais eCommerce, because I share a lot of videos and tips on how you can build your brand and your life as an entrepreneur. I'm excited to see you make progress, and I'll see you inside the Skool community where we have a bunch of entrepreneurs in the same journey as yourself.